Just for the normal layman,
Yeah.
so what is Nama Sankirtan?
Yeah. So Nama Sankirtane is just a series. It's like a string of different names of the Lord.
Wow.
So it is literally Namavali. Avali is like a string, Namavali. You repeat the name of the Lord, like, a very popular Namavali you have from ISKCON, you have Hare Rama, Rama.
Maybe some
So,
2 lines, can I
yeah,
hear?
yeah, sure. Um, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Aha.
So you can just keep repeating this in any rag that comes to you. There's no particular raga, there's no particular tala that you have to maintain. It can be from your own manodharma. So that is Namavali, and generally there is a paddhati that we follow for Nama Sankirtane and all that. But I don't do the typical Nama Sankirtane paddhati also, because as boring as Carnatic has gotten to the next generation now,
Yeah.
Nama Sankirtane is even boring because people will be cluelessly sitting there.
She is making a statement. Please don't. I'm just telling in advance, right?
Yeah, I mean, but
That's a
yeah,
fact,
it's a
what she is
fact.
trying to speak. Yeah.
And I can say this with so much confidence because the attention span of
Yeah.
the next generation has come down
Yeah,
to a
yeah,
great
yeah.
extent, and people don't want to indulge themselves in any kind of complex art.
Yeah.
They just want to easily comprehend what is happening, and that is not possible with any classical art form.
Yeah.
For some people, they just don't understand Bharatanatyam because it is so grammatical, there's so much technicality behind it. And same way, Carnatic music, there is a pocket of crowd that is
Yeah,
able
yeah.
to understand the art.
Yeah.
So after a point, beyond 25-30 minutes, it gets boring for any
layman,
person,
probably.
layman. Yeah. So I thought some way or the other, we'll have to pull them towards this, towards music, towards
Nice.
yeah. So I thought, let me include a few peppy numbers, because generally Namavalis are peppy. They have a grooving rhythm to
Groove,
it. So people
yeah.
want to groove. So and it has to be repetitive so that they can also follow along with us. We can engage them. They don't have to just simply sit and watch. So these were the reasons why I started incorporating few songs, like bhajans,
Wow.
like Dasara Pada, like
Wow.
Purandara Dasaru, Kanaka Dasaru. There are so many Dasara Padas. So all these are already part of the Nama Sankirtana Paddhati. As we say, Purandara Dasa's Sangita Pitamaha,
Correct.
but all he did was Nama Sankirtane.
Correct.
Right? So it was all one back then.
Yeah.
So today we have the bifurcation that this is different, that is different, Anta, but it is not. So I want to bring all of it together. So I thought I'll do this through the Facebook lives that I did. It was a hit. I didn't expect it at all. So people wanted to do this a lot. At some point, the views in the video mattered more than what is happening in the video actually.
Not at some point, even today.
Even now.
Even to this conversation.
Oh.
Just kidding.
I really hope.
No, it doesn't
So,
matter to me or my show.
Yeah.
Anyway.
But and as in when people realize that okay, this type of concert is gaining more traction, more views, they started calling me more and more. And this is how it increased. Every week I was singing for almost 4 Facebook concerts. Yeah, initially it was wow, but then it started
Eventually.
getting to me. I was like, now what do I sing? Something new I'll have to keep giving. And honestly, the pandemic time was a tapasya time for me, because I sat and learnt hundreds of songs during that time. It increased my repertoire like no man's business.
Wow.
So that was when life changed.
ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ವಿಷಯಗಳನ್ನ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಮಯೂರ ಅಂತ ಮೇನ್ ಚಾನಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಪೂರಾ ವೀಡಿಯೋನ ನೀವು ನೋಡಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಾ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದರೆ ಶೇರ್ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡಿ.